Hello, I know a lot of you would find a forum useful for your Joomla website. My name is Rob Luther. My website is geekepic.com, where I go over some various Joomla tutorials and other tutorials. And right now I am going to go over installing FireBoard forums. This will just be a kind of a basic installation tutorial here right now. So anyhow, you basically go into extensions, download the application first, or the component first. You can find it on extensions.joomla.org and just do a search for FireBoard forum in Google if you want, whatever. Easy to find. I also have a link to it on this page if you're looking at it on my website, geekepic.com. So anyhow, go to install. Come to browse, and this is legacy mode does have to be turned on for FireBoard. And I just installed it, so I'll arrange by modified, and that'll put it at the end of my list here. Open that, update, upload file, and install. And the internet does seem to be running slow for me today. Okay, now let's see here. Your extension appears to be written for an older version of Joomla. You must enable the System Legacy plugin. So you can know if you have Legacy turned on, because if it's up in here, if you look, there'll be a red Legacy on. So I didn't have that on. So in order to turn Legacy on, just come down into your plugin manager and scroll down at the bottom. Should be on page 2 probably, and System Legacy right here. So just come over here and enable that box right there. Alright, and that puts Legacy mode on. So let's come back up to our extensions. Browse. Once again, right click, arrange by modified. Otherwise it's alphabetical. I just have a whole bunch of junk on my desktop. Upload file and install. Jeopardy theme playing in the background. Alright, installed component success. Okay, so now we have FireBoard installed, and you'll see all this information here. The important thing is that we have install successful. Okay, so now let's link to it. You can configure the component in here, and this is where we'll get into this later. But this is where you handle setting up your forum, and we should be able to link to it from our menu. Okay, let's go into our main menu right here. Make a new menu item. And then you come over here and you see select menu item, FireBoard forum right there. Click on that. Let's name it. Ligonier forum. Okay. I'm just typing junk in. Okay, so now that we have linked to it, let's go ahead and refresh the lutherline.com website. Come down to the main menu and look at that Ligonier forum. Now if you click on that, there's our forum right there. As of right now, there's nothing in there. That will be on my part 2 tutorial for FireBoard.